Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Sorin. Hello everybody. So today we are talking about the crypto news. Avalanche Foundation unveils 290 million incentive programs. This is the first headline. The second headline is expect Indian digital currency this year. Next news, Bitcoin surpasses all-time high in Russia, and commodities are soaring. That's a bad sign for crypto. Ethereum total value of coins, total dominance drops to 55%. Whales accumulating Ethereum, and the crypto grid index is at 21. So we begin with Avalanche. So Avalanche is launching a program the Avalanche Foundation announced incentive worth of hundreds of millions of dollars on Thursday to stimulate the new types of development on the Avalanche blockchain. The so-called Avalanche Multiverse program aims to encourage the growth of subnet on the network. So this news is a bullish news. So I think that in the future Avalanche price in the coin will be more, so it will be a bullish news, a bullish price. Expect Indian digital currency CBDC this year in Indian financial minister. So the RBI is soon to launch at CBDC. The digital currency is something which we have a lot of consultation with the Reserve Bank. We would like to design it in the way they would like it, but this year we expect the currency to come out from the central bank itself, said the finance minister Nirmala. And also they put 30% tax on crypto. So this is good news for the crypto market. It's news for Indian people adopt crypto. Bitcoin surpasses all-time high in Russia. Bitcoin has been on a bull run in Russia since their President Vladimir Putin opened war on Ukraine, with it doubling above 5 million rubles. We can see above on this chart, that Bitcoin were all-time high in April 2021, and then in November 2021, then in November, and now on the war. But since then, the global prices are still about 40% down. So at an official exchange rate, Bitcoin price is 5 million ruble, but on crypto exchanges is trading at a discount of about $4,000. The current price on Binance is 34,500, while the global price is 38,700. This is one of the biggest discounts we've ever seen, and clearly speaks the lack of arbitrage opportunity, as you need ruble to buy Bitcoin in ruble. Sell it on a global exchange for dollars and then turn it into ruble and repeat, and so on. So I did want to check what's the price of Bitcoin from ruble. It's 35,800 as we speak by now, and if we go on the price of Bitcoin USD is 38,400, so it's at a discount of about $3,000. Yeah, this is a good information to know. If you want, you can buy in Russia ruble. So well, anyway, I wanted to inform you about this thing. This price is as I have read, is because Russia is now disconnected with this many sanctions from the world, and that's why it's cheaper to buy Bitcoin. Who knows that? Now we know today. So another article on Crypto Briefing is that the commodities are soaring. That's a bad sign for crypto, and Commodities like oil, gas, wheat, and precious metals have soared in price due to supply-side shocks caused by the Russia-Ukraine conflict. Soaring commodities prices could lead to global recession, painting a bleak long-term market outlook for risk-on assets like Bitcoin. Investors appear to be showing interest in precious metals like gold, palladium, which are trading near beyond their historic highs. Oil, gas, wheat, and precious metals are soaring. So, along with the inflationary pressure already high, and along with hikes from the Fed, yeah. So Russia again conflict sends commodities soaring. Also, this war in Ukraine is an anticipation of supply-side shortages and has triggered sent commodity prices soaring near or beyond global record highs. Europe imports 25% of oil and 40% of natural gas from Russia, and the acclaimed macroeconomics expert and investigator Raoul Paul is one of the many analysts that have warned that the recession is likely aimed at the Russia-Ukraine crisis. So we can go in an economic crisis because this conflict. Because in this period, the general decline in economic activity, that's a recession. So the stocks are on risk-on assets tend to fare badly in recessions. So to make matter worse, Russia and Ukraine are among the largest wheat producers in the world. Also, Russia is one of the largest fertilizer exports that exports globally. So fertilizer is made and it is good for food. So the prices of food. Also, the price of metal nickel is around $100,000 per ton on Tuesday, and the metal exchange London has been in halt since then. What is with this news is that in this article, these experts are saying that we are going to hit economic crisis in the near future because all the prices are going up, and it's a possibility that the crypto market will go down for sure. Next, we have Ethereum TVL dominance dropped to 50% at Bloomberg analyst paints. It would be a 1.K bearish target. Ethereum faces global recession risk. So Mike McClone, the senior commodity strategist at Bloomberg Intelligence, anticipates US equities to face downside pressure against the prospects on ongoing energy price spikes. So Ether correlation to efficiency with tech Navy Nasdaq 100. So they make a correlation between Ethereum and Nasdaq, and also they say that Ethereum total value locked on Ethereum network has declined below 55% since there are another blockchains in the market. But most of those so-called Ethereum killers, except Terra, have fared far worse than in 2022, when faced with geopolitical conflicts, energy crisis, and rate hikes. Cardano, Solana dropped more than 50% year to date, versus 30% in price decline versus Ethereum. Avalanche dropped 37% in the same period. So, can Ethereum regain market share? Not everyone says that Ethereum total value locked will go down, will continue. However, Marcus Sotiriou, analyst of Global Block, anticipates that Ethereum is to regain the dominance when it switches to proof of stake later this year from its current proof of work protocol. So now it's on discount, Ethereum, and Ethereum billionaires addresses at a record high as well load up Ethereum disregarding gloomy price action. So Ethereum whales fill up their bags. So in the recent downtrend because of the conflict between Russia, Ukraine, and because of the price of the crypto has fallen down 48% since November. Regardless of this thing and these events, actually the Ethereum whale buy more Ethereum. So this tells us that there is an interest in from the bigger Ethereum investors that and it may indicate that the good times are ahead of us. Also, the sentiment remains negative, and it is possible that we test near in the future low price for Ethereum because of the soaring inflation and the imminent Fed rate hikes, and not and yeah, this is the news from ZI Crypto. So my advice for you is to be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful. Okay, so I think now it's a good moment to accumulate Ethereum, but keep in mind that the market can continue to go down more than right now. So for example, if we go on Binance and we go to Ethereum, so now right now it's 2539, so I could expect that in the future we can go even as more low than 2159, yes, as we hit on January. So there is a possibility to go even further, like we hit on June 21 on the 2021 of 1700. Because of this war, we could go, for example, more like this, yeah, somewhere around here in the future, and after this we can go up, so around May, I think, something around like that, on May, the 1st of May. I think yeah, we could from that period we can go up. But right now in March, with the Fed hikes, with the war and everything, I don't know. So the crypto fear ingredient index is 21. It's a good moment to buy, but I would expect to be a better extreme fear for the buyers. So it will be around 14 or 11 in the near future. So my advice for the people is that if they buy Ethereum like I buy, I buy around 3,200, it's my dollar cost average amount. It's better to wait until it gets up, and now it's a good period and a good time to buy Ethereum and to accumulate. And also bear in mind that it will go even down, so it's a good opportunity to have a good reserve of money to invest when it's very down. So I'm not a financial advisor. I am a Sorin. I'm just an investor, and I try to make good videos. So thank you for watching me. hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so that I can be more motivated to and more driven to make better videos and to get more into the crypto community. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.